Hey beauties, it's me, Beth. Today we're doing a smoky eye look with my beautiful niece, Ella. All of the products that we use are in the description below. We hope you like this. We're using our smoky eye stencil to create the shape. Next, one of our highlighters in PikNik. Using our medium-sized pro eyeshadow brush, we're going to take our copper color. Just tap that right in there. Okay. Next, we are going to add our gel eyeliner in Jett. So we're going to do a nice tight line along the lash line. We're going to add a few individual lashes. We're going to put your mascara on. I'm just going to take my concealer brush and just clean up. This is our pink liquid highlighter, which I just love and can't live without. So beautiful. The final look on both eyes, I'm calling this our Studio 54 Retro Smoky Eye look. We had so much fun creating this. I hope you like it as much as we do, and we will see you the next time.